Today we're going to talk about taxes, probably the biggest eroding factor for your financial future. Now you may think the taxes are really high because we're paying tax on everything. In fact, in California, we just got another new gas tax. But the truth is, income taxes are on sale. Now you may not believe me, but they are. And now's the time to take advantage of the low tax rates. So let's look at a little history on income taxes. Income taxes were started in 1913. They were at 7%. Right? It was very cheap, and it was a temporary tax. But unfortunately, it continued to grow. Actually, once the legislators figured out that taxes were easy to come by, they just kept raising them and raising them. So let's look at the chart of the top tax brackets in history. 73% in World War I. But then taxes came down during the Depression. But again, they went up. So the highest tax rates we ever had were in the last 2 years of World War II. 94%. So if you made $100, $94 went to the federal government. And if you lived in a state like California, the rest of it went to the state tax, leaving you nothing. It's unbelievable, but it's true. Taxes went down a little, but then they came back up again for the Korean War. They dropped, they came back up again for the Vietnam War. Then they dropped clear down here when George Bush #1 said no new taxes, and they raised them again for the Gulf War. If you notice, there's a trend here that every time there's a war, tax rates go up. But let's look what happened since 1993 to today. They really haven't gone up at all. Yet we've had tons of military skirmishes and spent billions of dollars on defense with no increase in taxes. So I have to ask you this question. What do you think will have to happen to taxes in the future? Will they go down? Will they stay the same? Or will they go up? My bet is they go up. And if they go up, how are you going to take that into account on how you save your money today and all the money that you've saved so far? Check in next time for a solution to this problem.